Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. As you can see, I do have all the PR in the back, and I've been wanting to do a video like this for the longest now, but every time I would get PR I would just open it on my Instagram stories, so I was never able to do a video like this. But today I actually have a lot of PR. I've been like getting a lot of PR lately, so I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna wait and have a few PR boxes so I could open. But let me know in the comment section if you want me to keep on doing these types of videos, because I'll love to. But anyways, I wanted to say thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Poshmark is the easiest and fastest way to sell items to clean out your closet. They have thousands of brands like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, Shein, and so much more other brands. They also have luxury brands like Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, anything you could think of they have. So when Poshmark reached out to me, I was really excited because I've been using it for years now, and I was like, yes, this is perfect. I actually love Poshmark, so why not? So I'm gonna show you some of the items I'm gonna be adding on my closet. So if you want to shop my closet, make sure you download Poshmark now, and the link will be listed in the description box as well, so make sure you check it out before you leave, because I'm going to be adding a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to show you a few items I will be adding on my Poshmark. So if you want to shop any of these items, make sure you download Poshmark. The link will be listed down below. So I do have these two dresses that I will be adding on there. This is like a pink snake print dress. It's really pretty. It's actually open from the back. It's so pretty. And I also have this other dress, like a burgundy, dark burgundy color. It's really pretty, and it's also open from the back. I also have this two-piece. This is the top. Super pretty. It's also pink. I feel like everything I'm showing you right now goes together because everything's kind of like pink and dark burgundy. So this is the pair of shorts that it comes with. I'm also adding this pink top on there. It's open from the front, long sleeve, and it has like these little strings so you could tie, however you want. So if you want to shop these items, make sure you download Poshmark. The link will be listed down below. And let's just go ahead and get started with this PR unboxing, because I have a lot to unbox and I actually don't have a lot of time because I'm actually gonna go somewhere. So let's just go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna start with MAC. I was actually really excited when I got this package because I didn't know I was on their PR list, so I'm very happy I am now because I love MAC. And I think my manager actually got me to the PR because I did see that she also got this package. So thank you so much, Mara. I'm so happy and I can't wait to see what's inside and to try everything. So I'm just gonna open it up. It's actually pretty hard. Okay. Oh, I already know I'm gonna make a huge mess, and I just literally finished cleaning my room, but it's okay. I'll clean it after. Look at this. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these. These are the Love Me Liquid Color lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Let me see how they look. So I'm gonna open the shade Coffee and Zix, I believe. So the packaging is really pretty. I don't want to show you guys. I don't want to show you my nails because I'm really gonna get them done tomorrow. So they look a little crusty. But the lipsticks, the packaging is so pretty. This color is so pretty. Should I swatch it? Okay, I'll swatch it. So I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Oh my god, they're so creamy. Look at this color. So pretty. So next I'm going to open up, let me see what I have. Let's open this one. This one is by Beauty, and let me see what they sent. So they did send, what is this? Oh, lipsticks again. So Beauty also sent me liquid lipsticks. Wait, are they liquid lipsticks? Yes, they are. So they sent me 6 of them. I'm gonna swatch one of them. I don't know which one I want to swatch yet. Let's do this one. This one looks super pretty. I love Beauty. Okay, so I'm just swatching it right now. Wow, it's actually really pretty. It's this one right here. It's very bright red, but I just read that these are mask proof. So I mean, we have to wear a mask everywhere we go, so this is a really good thing about these lipsticks. And they also sent me a mask, so I guess I should test it out on my next video to see if these are mask approved. Next, I'm going to open up this PR package right here. I don't know what brand this is because I've never got any PR from them, so let's see what they sent. Oh, okay, I think this is like a little razor, like to shave your face. I'm super excited to try this out. I can't wait to try this out. The brand is called Versed, I believe. I'm trying to take this out, but it's like super hard. The brand is called Versed. Hopefully I'm not showing my address. I'm gonna show you a little bit up close so you could see it. And I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna try it out very soon and I'll keep you guys updated. So that is that. Thank you, Versed, for sending this over. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and do Boxy Charm since it's already right here. I love Boxy Charm. So from Boxy Charm, I did get, let me see, I got this Overnight Detox Moisturizer by Murad. Is that how you say it? I don't know, but I got this overnight detox moisturizer. Can't wait to try this. I also got, what is this? This serum right here. It looks really, really pretty. This is from no, it's not My Daily Dose. It's actually from Skin Inc. So I think the serum is called My Daily Dose of Uplift. This is to smooth and lift. I got this brow pencil and brow gel. So let's open her up. This is by Cab Cosmetics. Ooh, it's really pretty. I love the colors. It smells really good too. It reminds me of, oh my god, you know what it reminds me of? The Huda Beauty palette. The first one, I think the first one that came out. I swear it literally looks so similar. I'm gonna like compare them right now because I swear this literally reminded me of the Huda Beauty palette. So next is e.l.f. Cosmetics, one of my favorite brands. So let's see what they sent over. So they sent over their new Lash It Out mascara, and they also sent over the new enhancing lash and brow serum. I'm so excited to try this one right here because it says that this makes your brow and lashes stronger and healthier looking. Next up is Maven Beauty. I already know what this is because they did email me letting me know that they were gonna send it over, and it's a bunch of like lipsticks. Again, I've been getting a lot of lipsticks in this like PR unboxing. So they did send over their new shades. I'm gonna take all this out. I honestly hate this so much because it makes a mess. I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, so they did send their new Maven lipsticks. So there's, let me see, 14 shades. Wow, I have so many lipsticks now. So I'm just gonna show you guys all the lipsticks. Honestly, Maven Beauty has one of my favorite lipsticks ever. I love how creamy they are, and the packaging is so pretty. I'm gonna open one up so you could see. So I'm gonna open up Fuego. The packaging is like magnet, like it just connects right away. Just look at that, it's so pretty. Everything's just so perfect. Like these lipsticks are just so perfect, perfectly made. So I have this PR package that says open this fluffing box on 5/12. What's today? I'm trying to look at my phone. It's the 19th, so I could open it, right? You guys, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this packaging. Let me see what's inside. So hard to open. Okay. Oh my god. It's like a cloud. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I've never got anything like this before, so I'm like obsessed. You guys see? Anyways, what is this? This is a lash mascara. So pretty. I'm so obsessed. Wow, this is by Pacifica. This is a vegan collagen fluffy lash mascara. So they sent this over. I'm very excited to use this, and I honestly don't want to use it because the packaging is so pretty. But oh my god, I'm so obsessed. It's so pretty. I can't get over the packaging. Let's go with Laura Mercier. I have 2 packages from Laura Mercier. So they sent over their Pure Canvas primers, and honestly one of my favorite primers that I have, and it's almost finished, is from Laura Mercier. It's honestly one of the best primers I've ever used. So they did send over 3 primers. They sent 2 of these. This one is for illuminating and this one is for protecting. And they also sent this one. This is a Pure Canvas Power Primer. This one's just a little different. This one looks like this. So I did get the new Tinted Moisturizer Oil-Free Natural Skin Perfector with SPF 20. And here it is. This is the Tinted Moisturizer. And this is in the shade Sand. I can't wait to use this. The packaging is really pretty. I like the dark packaging. They also send over this cute little bag. Isn't it so cute? And I love the color. And they also send more products inside. They sent over a face illuminator, which is like a highlighter, and they also sent a mascara. I love the mascara so much. And they sent over a lipstick. Ooh, sorry. LA Girl sent over eyeshadow palettes. This is how they look. I'm gonna open them up so you could see them a little better. This palette is called Under the Palms, and it looks like this. I love the colors. So pretty. And the other palette is called Good Times and Tan Lines. That's funny. But this is the next palette. And these colors are a little brighter than the other palette. I love both eyeshadow palettes. Thank you so much to LA Girl for sending these eyeshadow palettes over. I can't wait to try them out. I also have 2 PR packages by Kate Somerville. And I've never received this brand before, so I'm very excited. There's a lot of brands right here that I've never like got PR from, so I'm very excited to try the products they sent me. So they sent over this cute little bucket hat, and it has like this happy or winky face emoji. I'm trying to show you guys. It's a happy face. Well, it's like a winky face. And they also, let me see how I look with bucket hats. Oh, I actually don't look bad. So in the first package, they sent over their Daily Deflector Mineral Sunscreen. So they did send this over. This looks like a robe. I'm hoping it's a robe because I really love robes, and this color is so pretty. But they did send over their, what is this? Their Resurfacing Overnight Peel. I'm gonna try this today because it says it brightens skin, reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles, balanced with skin, restoring. This sounds very interesting, so I'm gonna try this tonight. And let me see what this is actually. I'm wondering what this is. I have so much boxes everywhere. Who's gonna come help me? So, oh, okay, this is a headband. This is so pretty. And let me see what this is. Oh, wait, it is a robe. Oh my god, this is a robe. I'm so excited. Look how pretty this color is. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so happy right now. Wow, I just noticed I got another package from Burst, the brand I showed you guys earlier with the what was it called? The like little razor. Let me see what this is. I still have the bucket hat on. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is like a what? Like a scarf? Or like a bandana? This one is so pretty. I love the color. I could even wear it like a top. Ooh, that would look so nice actually. So I'm gonna put that right there. So they just sent over a bunch of skincare. Thank you so much. I actually really love skincare. I do it every night before I go to sleep and in the mornings. I'm actually a skincare person. I actually keep up with my skincare. Ooh, this is so pretty. What is this actually? Is it another robe? It says Pink Souffle Body Mask. Oh, okay. Body, not skincare for the face, but for the body. Okay, I'm very excited now. So they did send over, what is this? It's like a skirt. So I'm thinking you like put this on after the shower. It's really soft, but it is like a skirt. It says love your body. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much. So they sent over a soap bar, this coconut scrub, and this is a body mask, and it comes with like a little brush so you could apply it. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to try everything. The next PR I'm going to open up is from BH Cosmetics, and they sent over their new Say It collection. So it does come with 9 color eyeshadow palettes. They're $15 each. This collection also comes with 6 glosses. It also comes with a 6-piece eye brush set with a bag for $19. I'm gonna show you 2 palettes really quickly because, like I said, I do have to go. So the first palette is called Looking Like a Snack. Thank you. Has a bunch of pink eyeshadows. And this is the second palette called Fuck Off. Love the names. More like darker olive eyeshadows, blues and purples. This one is called Let That Shit Go. Okay, period. And it has like a bunch of green eyeshadows. Also very pretty. Wait, I'm actually very interested on the names. So this one is called Low-Key Love You. And this one has red eyeshadows. This one is called Do Not Disturb. Purples. And the last one is called Optimistic as Fuck. And it has oranges and red. And these are the lip glosses. They're also very pretty and shimmery. This collection also comes with a 6-piece eye brush set. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoy this PR unboxing. But before I leave, I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a BH Cosmetics PR package. And this does come with, let me just show you really quickly. So this does come with this Flower Power 5-piece face and eye brush set, and it also comes with this Flower Power eyeshadow 16 color eyeshadow palette. So pretty. And it comes with an eyeshadow palette, which is this one right here. All you have to do to enter is like this video, leave me a comment down below with your email or your Instagram name. That way I could contact you in case you are the giveaway winner. And that is pretty much it. If you want an extra chance, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram and comment on my recent posts. And that is pretty much it. Make sure you download Poshmark with the link that will be listed down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. You guys, this is the aftermath of the PR unboxing. I have so much to clean up after.